Hi, welcome to another video made on my craft room floor. Sorry about that. Anyway, today I thought I'd show you this really cute ephemera notebook that I made. I got the idea, kind of a combination from Scrapbooking with Me. Eve had made a beautiful book that had 3 different pocket sections for ephemera with 3 different sizes. And I thought it was lovely. I made one, but I just didn't really work out for me too well. So then I was also in a swap with Vianney Creates, and she was having us make folders for the swap, and I did put a video of my folders up so you could watch it if you wanted. And we were to fill them with ephemera. Well, I did that, and while I was making them, I got really frustrated because the ephemera kept sliding out and everything. And I thought, it's a really cool idea, but once again, it doesn't work for me. So then I thought, oh, I was also in a swap with Vianney where she did traveler's notebooks, and I thought, oh gosh, I could just use a traveler's notebook. So what I did was I took both their ideas, Eve's and Vianney's, and I put them together, and I made myself this little traveler's notebook ephemera thing. It's just the right size for me. I could make several of them. On the front, I made a piece of swag, and I wrote in pencil very softly so I can erase it and, rewrite it, the stuff I have inside, because my biggest thing when it comes to organizing is I put stuff away neatly and then I don't know where the hell anything is and I can't find anything. And yes, I swore, bad me, but that's life. So anyway, that's what I did. So let me show you. I take the band off. And it's just made up of little signatures and notebooks. I used scrapbook paper that I really didn't like and didn't have anything to use it on because I didn't like it. And so I made these little signatures. Now each signature is only 3 pages. So you open it up, and the first book is where I keep all my little butterfly cutouts, and I have zillions of them. I have the Tim Holtz ones. These to me don't look like butterflies. They look like mosquito wings. But Tim Holtz says they're butterflies, so I'll go with him because otherwise I'd freak out having them in here. Prettier butterflies, single wings, and then also on my little tiny butterflies, and these are butterflies made with the Martha Stewart butterfly punch where she's got one medium, or well, actually one small butterfly and then 2 tiny ones. And I just put them in plastic bags, because it's easier to just pull them in and out of the pocket. And I could probably fill up several signatures just with butterflies because I use them quite a bit. In the second signature, I have all these little Kewpie baby stickers. I love Kewpies. My mom was born in 1916, and they called her Kewpie. Isn't that cute? Can you see it? Anyway, I got these off of eBay, and I got zillions of them. I'm going to have a brand new granddaughter, and I thought it might be really fun to make a baby album and put these little Kewpies all over it. And as you can see, I have tons of Kewpies. And then I also just put in some of my little girl stickers. And I thought this would be great for stickers as well. And I have so many that I could have like a whole shelf full of these books, and it would never be full. I mean, I would have to keep making more books. So anyway, in this one, I just put animals for right now. I've got a big cat. I've got baby kitties of different sizes. I have horses. These are fun. Oh my God, I got these off of eBay like, I don't know, 20 years ago maybe. And some lady made them and she sold them, and they were so inexpensive, but they were such a cool idea that I bought a bunch. And now I don't want to use them because I can't get them replaced. Anyway, my penguins, my cute little giraffes and lions. And then I've got some flamingos. I haven't finished filling up everything, so. And then the next one's empty as well. But anyway, to make this is super duper duper simple. I just made a traveler's notebook. So I used a piece of paper that was 9.5 by 6.5. I folded it in half long ways so that I could get this center line here. And then I folded it each side, scored 3/4 of an inch from the center fold. Actually, I scored a 1/2 inch, but you want to score yours 3/4 of an inch because your book's going to get fat and you don't want yours bulging like mine is. and then scored that and folded it. Then I went ahead and I laminated it, trimmed it, and then I put eyelets in mine because when I go to all the trouble of making something, I don't want it to rip apart right away, and the eyelets really protect it. So I made the eyelets. I made the little piece of swag for the front cover. And to make the pockets, what I did was I just took flat pieces of paper, vellum. I used vellum. And then I used my circle punch, and I think this is probably a 1-inch circle punch. And I just boop, punched a hole to give myself a little thumb space there. The next one I do, I'm going to do a little differently. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make my bottom pocket, which is my 2-inch pocket. I'm going to cut it at 5 by 2 1/4 inches, and then I'm going to score in each side by 1/4 inch, and then the bottom by 1/4 inch. And I'm going to fold them up, make a pocket, and then glue that in. I think that'll work a little better because it'll give me a little extra room to put my things in there. And it'll be a lot easier to take them out without ripping the pockets. And then the top pocket would be 1 3/4 inch by by 5 inches. And then you would score it in 1/4 inch. I am going to double check those measurements because I'm not 100% sure now. I've confused myself. And I will put the correct measurements down below, along with a link to Vianney Creates, to the folder swap that we did, and to the Traveler's Notebook directions that she had. And also I will link to Eve's Scrapbooking with Me, because I really want you to look at the beautiful ephemera book she made. It's gorgeous. I made a swag, and I also put little eyelets in that. And then, like I said, I just write down what's on the inside of my book so that I can find it easily without having to go through everything. I think this is a really cool idea. I think it's super easy, keeps things organized and nice. If you're like me, you have boxes and boxes of stuff because you've been a collector for 20 plus years. So anyway, please like this video, even if you don't like it, just like it. And put down below if you think that this is a good way to store ephemera, or how you store your ephemera and how you find it, because I really need help with my organizational skills. Have a great day. Bye.